connect that to Allie.
Wait a minute.
If you took videos of Allie,
Just tell us
could you
when,
put
Dick.
that-
No.
Okay, ready?
Whenever you guys are ready.
I'm ready.
Go.
You ready? This is for Allie and her new baby Jax. And for the new father, too. Labor, I'm in labor, and the pains that never ever want to peak seem to vanish like a gambler's lucky streak when I'm home alone in labor as we speak. Scream with me, I need your voice along mine. Your voice along mine will make me feel fine. Oh, labor, I'm in labor, and the cares and woes that followed through the week will soon leave me with a lively child to keep, and a love that runs and runs and runs so deep. Labor, I'm in labor, and I hurt so bad that I can hardly speak, but I seem to find the misery I seek when I'm in the corner screaming like a freak. Labor, I'm in labor, and my water's breaking buckets down the street. Oh, I hope my labor comes sometime this week, so I can sleep. No, so I can slap his little coolie and his cheek. Come on, kid, I need you out of my gut. My life's in a rut. Your cord I must cut. So hurry, I said hurry. Enough, 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 enough. You'd better come out soon or I'll spank your butt. So be good to me, kid. So be a good kid for me or I might get rough. I knew I couldn't get it through it.